Hi, this is Kevin with KG Jam, owner of ProAdvertisersClub, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free and start advertising for free today. Okay, my last video was the ultra exciting video of waiting around trying to buy the pack. Things went kind of rough as far as the drop. They had payment problems. So what started at 4 o'clock didn't end at 8 o'clock. When I got my pack, there was about 10,000 packs left, which means about 5,000 people who were ahead of me did not get a pack for whatever reason. They might have quit. Their payment didn't go through. They lost internet. Who knows? So even if you get in on one of these drops, you still got to go all the way to the front of the line. You still got to process the payment. So on a limited thing like this, it's kind of nerve-wracking. I'm thankful. Thank you, Lord, for letting me get one. And let's go ahead and open. And I have never opened one yet with all day. I tried last week, but I was number 50,000 out of 29,000. So I imagine it's going to work just like. Let me pause this. Okay, it's not. Seems to be working. Let's try something wrong. Try again later. Okay, hopefully it's under here. This is kind of. All right, there it is. So let's see if this works. Okay, that worked. Executing your transaction on the Flow blockchain. It's trying to. I might have opened it too soon. Uh, I wasn't aware that you had to wait. I mean, I did get a notice saying to try again later. Uh, Now, I did watch some other videos and they had the same problem. So I probably should have waited a little bit longer. But we'll see what happens. It is attempting to open. And we'll just see. Um, I hate backing out of this stuff because you're afraid you're going to make it even worse. And you don't know if it's your side, their side. So we'll just have to wait and see. Okay, it couldn't get to open, so I backed out, and I'm going to try it again. I don't know. Okay, this is the third attempt. I cannot get it to open. I paused it for a second. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Oh, I definitely got the pack. Now, I think these packs are collectible also. I think after you open them, you get to keep the pack, and which probably means they're going to, you can turn them in for something, collect them, and that will make them valuable that way. I don't know. It's exciting to think about what it's. Oh, sync in our system. This can take up to 10 minutes. Okay, that's the first time I saw that. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it again so we don't have to look at this for 10 minutes. Okay, I think it's ready. So let's open it and see what I got. Okay, from the bottom here, you can tell that those are three commons. If I got that, if I understand that right. Travis Kelce. Oh, this is cool. Awesome. Three different angles. Four different angles. Five. That's the winning touchdown. Okay, here's the first one. Joe Bureau. Nice. Fantastic. I turned that music off. It was really okay. This is what play is this? That's a first down play. That might be the one that got him in position for the field goal. But this would be the first, maybe. No, he's probably in another one in the earlier drop, but still a nice one to have. Okay. And let's do the last one. Garoppolo. And that's a, okay. So three commons. Nice play. All right. Well, there you go. That's it. Not bad at all. Now the 8,500 is a low mint period for any kind of a set. So I'm not complaining. And Joe Bureau is nice, and Kelsey, of course. So there you go. There's my drop. That's what I got. I think they're having one next week, and I will try to get in. And I'll make another video. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.